here I am at the beach, Gladstone, Michigan, in the Upper Peninsula. Just a fantastic time vacationing with my family and sitting on a bench while they're collecting some seashells and iron ore, I believe. Just a beautiful, just a beautiful, beautiful scene here. You got the lighthouse in the background, and just a gorgeous day. It's like 70 degrees out, and wonderful day for a swim, and just to sit back and enjoy, relax, see God's creation. So thankful we could do this, and looking forward to getting back, doing some artwork. By the time I get this video uploaded, I will be back in my studio working on projects again, teaching. Look forward to bringing you more art tutorials to encourage and help you with your portrait painting and share some fine art that will inspire you. So God bless you. Enjoy God's creation whenever you have a chance. Talk to you soon.